Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hi guys, this is Riddhi's most popular waxing package. It's an advanced full body waxing and it's only $75. It's included full arms with shoulder and fingers, underarms, full legs with toes, full Brazilian, butt cheeks and inside butt cheeks. On our website www.riddhiskincarespa.ca, this package is called Advanced Full Body Waxing. For watching. I hope you guys like this video. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you never miss any upload. Stay home, stay safe. I love you guys so much and see you soon with brand new video.